Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR Mini and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Amazfit GTR Mini. Now you should see the category called App Store, and if you find it, tap on the arrow next to it to open the App Store. And here we have the list of categories and apps we can basically browse through, find the category or the app you want. For example, if you want to open the category, tap on Find More. And if you find the app you want to install, select it by tapping on it. I don't know, maybe let's say this one. And once you select the application you want to install, you can see the description, screenshots, and I believe the update history. And if you want to install the app, if you decided to install it, tap on Install button, wait until the transfer is complete. And once the application is done installing, it will basically say installed at the bottom. And if you go back to the App Store, the main page, and tap on Mine, it will appear right here on the list of apps under your watch, under the name of your watch. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, open the menu, scroll through the menu, you should find the icon of the app you installed, and you can tap on the icon and it should open the app and it should be working. And of course you can install multiple applications if you like by simply going back to the App Store and finding another app you want to install, tap on it, tapping on install, and it's gonna install on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, of course you can simply close the ZEP application, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.